How to re-download or refresh Google Play Store on your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can re-download the Google Play Store. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up your settings. So if you are facing trouble with your Google Play Store and want to refresh it, or completely re-download it, then in that case, head over to your app settings first, and then you're going to have to find Play Store from the list of your apps. I'm just going to scroll down until I find my Play Store. And once you find Google Play Store, you can just tap on it. And then from here, head over to storage. But before you do that, first force stop the app and it will stop running the app from the background. And then head over to storage. Now you're going to go ahead and clear cache and then tap on clear data to completely delete all of its database. But you have to note that you'll have to log back in again and all of your purchase history will also be deleted from here. And once you have done that, you could just go ahead and head over to the battery settings. So just tap on it and tap on battery. Now make sure that this is set to unrestricted. And once that is done, go ahead and scroll to the bottom and then open your Play Store again. Now it will ask you to log in and log back in again and see if your problem is solved. And if it's still not solved, then you're going to have to disable it once. So just tap on disable and disable the app and then enable it back again. Doing this will make sure that your app is fresh, and then you should be facing no problems. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. So that's pretty much it.